Hi everyone, here I am with the WBJ counseling updates. The full schedule for counseling is out now, so I will discuss all the points in detail. Along with this, I will discuss the document required for counseling, that is the document you have to upload before the registration for counseling, and also I will discuss the document required at the time of admission, that means the document you need to carry at your respective college at the time of final admission, and also I will discuss important date of counseling. So watch the video till the end to get all the information correctly, and if you have any question, do ask in the comment section, and do check the description box for many video related to WBJ and any other college. So before starting this video, I would like to introduce my channel information and educational videos. Here you will get all you need to know about a particular college or exam. So do share and subscribe my channel to get such information in future. So let us start with the document required to upload during registration. First of all, I will discuss the format you need to in which upload the document. The document should be in PDF format and of 150 dpi in color. So now talk about the document. The 10th admit card, which will be treated as your birth certificate, and the 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, and the domicile certificate. It is applicable for only West Bengal student, and the respective category certificate, it is also applicable to only West Bengal student, and the PWD certificate and income certificate for TFW candidate. These all are applicable to only for West Bengal student. So these are the documents you have to upload before the registration. Now talk about the counseling schedule. The WebG result was out on 7th of August. As you all know, the most important date is the first round of registration, uploading of document and choice filling will be done on 12th of August to 25th of August. And the uploading of correct document, that means if you upload the wrong document at the first time, you have to re-upload the correct document, which will be done up to 26th of August. The choice locking by the candidate, that means the preference college that you will choose, that will be done from 25th of August to 28th of August. And the first round of seat allotment, that means the first round of college allotted to you will be done on 31st of August. The seat acceptance, if the allotted seat is good for you, then you have to accept it or you will reject it. That process will be done from 31st of August to 6th of September. And the upgradation cycle will be done on 7th of September, and the upgraded seat will be accepted or rejected by the candidate from 7th of September to 9th of September. In case if you accept the upgraded seat, you have to make the payment, that is for provisional admission fee, if you accept the fee. For detailed information about fee payment, do check the I button or check the description box for related video. Next, the schedule are the second round of registration, uploading of document and choice filling as of round 1 will be done from 11th of September to 18th of September, and the uploading of correct document as of round 1 will be done from 11th of September to 19th of September, and the choice locking by the candidate for round 2 will be done from 18th of September to 21st of September, and the second round of seat allotment will be done on 24th of September, and as of first round the seat acceptance will be done from 24th of September to 30th of September, and in case you accept the seat, you have to make the payment. and in cycle upgradation will be done on 1st of October, and accept or upgrade seat will be done on 1st of October to 3rd of October. If you accept the seat, you have to pay the provisional admission fee. Now next is the third round of registration, uploading of document and choice filling will be done from 6th of October to 14th of October, and the uploading of correct document will be done from 6th of October to 15th of October, and the choice locking by candidate will be done from 14th of October to 17th of October, and the third round of the allotment result will done on 19th of October, and the seat acceptance will be done from 19th of October to 25th of October, and the in cycle upgradation for third round will be done on 26th of October, and the accept of upgraded seat will be done on 26th of October to 28th of October. That's it about the counseling schedule, and you need to follow these important dates in order to do a better counseling. And if you have any question related to counseling, do ask me in the comment section, or I will provide the WhatsApp number. You can contact me for any doubt regarding the counseling process. Next is one more thing: the dates that are announced for the counseling schedule are tentative. That means the dates are not fixed, that the date may change if any unavoidable situation occur. Now talk about the admission document, the document required at the time of admission. First document, that is the original and one photocopy of admit card of respective joint entrance examination. That is, if you given the WBJE, then you need to carry the WBJE admit card, and if you are taking admission based on your JEE main rank, you need to carry your JEE main admit card, and the original allotment letter received from the respective reporting center issued by WBJE. The allotment letter, that is the proof of you that you get the respective college. You need to carry that document, and the rank card of respective joint entrance examination, that is WBJE or JEE main. Next documents are self-attested photocopy of 10th admit card, which will be treated as your birth certificate, and the self-attested photocopy of 10th and 12th mark sheet along with original for verification. That means you have to carry your original document as well for the verification, and self-attested photocopy of diploma mark sheet. This is applicable to only the student who is taking the on BTech course after doing a polytechnic course. And self-attested a school living or character certificate, that means the 12th a school living certificate you need to carry. Next documents are university migration registration certificate. It is applicable to only the student who is taking BTech course after doing a polytechnic course. And the documentary evidence in support of address proof, that is any one of them: Aadhaar card, voter card, ration card or passport, anyone. And the documentary evidence in support of address and family, this is applicable only to the student belongs from West Bengal. And the 5 stamp size photo and 2 passport size color photo, this is applicable to all the students. And the medical certificate in the prescribed format of your respective college, this will be done after the admission. This will be given by the college at the time of admission, and you need to visit to your doctor and fill this form and submit it after the admission. Next is the eye specialist certificate. This will also be submitted after the admission. And the affidavit by the student and their parents, this is also will be submitted after the admission. You get all this form at the time of admission, and you need to fill it and you need to submit it after the admission. Thanks, that's it about the WBJ counseling update. Thanks for watching, keep watching for further updates, and please do subscribe, like and share. Thanks.